Hi guys, today we're going to be making a funny face out of shapes. All you need to use is some glue, some paintbrushes, some paint, some scissors, a pencil or a pen, and some cardboard. You need to draw some shapes like your eyes, your eyebrows, your ears, your nose, and your mouth and lips. If it's tricky, ask an adult to cut it out for you. These are all my shapes what I cut out to paint it. Woo! Oh no, I forgot to tell you that you have to draw your face. Choose your colour for your face and get your paintbrush and you can start painting. Woohoo! Now my face is all done, see, and it's very, very messy. Ah! Now it's time for me to do the other bit, and don't forget to use those bright colours. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm putting the crown on mine. Are you? And this is my last and final bit. It's a very nice colour, like a bee. Or the sun. I've done my shapes right here, and now it's time to let them dry. Now it's dry, let's start sticking the pieces on with a little bit of glue. Now I'm sticking my eye on. I'm doing a funny, wonky one. Now I'm putting the cheeks on. Wow, it's amazing! Now for the final touch, my crown, woohoo! Now time for the pupils. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you do it because it's very fun. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye!